Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade cards in Monopoly Go. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Monopoly Go on your device and make sure you're signed in into your account. So at the bottom of your screen, beside the Go button and the Friends tab, you'll be able to find this Album tab. So under the Album tab, you'll be able to find all of the stickers that you've gained and collected from different events can be found. So go ahead and head over to that album section. And here you'll be able to find all of the albums that you've completed along with the albums that you haven't completed. So go ahead and select an album where you can find a duplicated sticker. So click on that specific duplicated sticker and click on that send to friend button. Now select that friend from this list and enable that make an exchange section before you hit on that continue button at the bottom of this pop-up tab. Now after this, go ahead and click on that exchange button to confirm the exchange proposal, and that exchange proposal will be sent to that specific user to whom you want to trade cards to. And that is how you can simply trade cards in Monopoly Go. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.